Guys, imagine that you can speak, you can communicate without using any words, without uttering a single words. Yeah, it can be done using sign languages, but here we are implementing blinking and eye patterns. Yeah, so introducing blink speech, what it does that it transforms the intentional blink patterns, gazes into spoken phrases. So first, let me show you a session, a live demo. Then we'll talk about it. Because if I click there, uh, you come here and it shows how to use your gaze. Yeah, it's important. Okay, so let it happen. Okay, I learned it many times for till now. Okay, so let's start the session. So now it will initialize my camera, and once I click start, however I blink, if I single blink, it will say hello. If I double blink, it will say yes. So let's start. So this is me. Now it will initialize my eye patterns. Just hold a second. Yeah, here.
Hello. No. Hello.
So yeah, that's how it's work. If I blink.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, it's good.
Hello.
So now let's stop it. Now let me show you other features. Like you can learn again how to do that, how to use it blinking. You can also use there's a mapping editor. You can choose your own languages. Currently we have 8 blocks. So you can just invent your own languages. And we also have a Jackson editor. So you just can apply it and make your own language using blinking. Okay, so now let's walk through our landing page and understand what our vision is. So basically, our vision is everyone deserves a voice. It's like a fundamental human rights. And in many cases, like in cases of healthcare, patient in ICU, they cannot speak. And a lot of time after post surgery, they want to communicate in various ways. There's screen coming in. So what Blinkspeech does, it's make it easy and accessible. Like people with disability, for example, like they're living in home with their family, and sometimes they can't speak, they can't do stuff. So Blinkspeech makes it easy. And like it can be used for temporary conditions as well. Like for example, if someone having issue in vocal cords, and it you can do it for fun as well. Like you can just make your own language using blinking and talk with your friends. So currently, this is just an MVP, which shows how it can be done and how it is done. Although this is just we just built it in just 3 days, and this can be used in many other ways as well. Like for example, in a condition of uh, disaster, in a condition of where you can't really communicate, you can't really utter a word. Like for example, so it can be used there as well. So now let me walk you through my our GitHub. So this is our GitHub, and this is the team we had. Like we three of us worked tirelessly to make this in just 3 days. Actually, we joined the hackathon very late, so we have to work really hard to make it. So this is a readme. Do read it, and most important, we have a docs folder here. So we literally made like almost 12 or 13 docs to explain every single aspect, how we reached this conclusion, how we made it, what we can do in future, what is the architect. Every single thing is really documented. We are documented how you can contribute to our project and how we can take it further, not just an MVP, but something big. So yeah, this is Blink Speech. Thank you for watching. See you soon. It was fun to be honest.